You know when you see people going like this and they're kind of going all over the place for lymphatic drainage? Well, let's go over a full demo with the actual order to get the best lymphatic drainage of the face. I'll also number everything as we go. Let's get into it. First point is not the armpit when we're focusing on the face. We don't need to touch this area at all because this is going to be for the arm and the chest area primarily. The first actual point is going to be forever and always behind the collarbone. So I'm going to go from the angle of my jawline and then I just go straight down. You see this triangle right here? It's not going to be up here. Move back right in front of the upper trapezius behind the collarbone or clavicle area, and it's going to be on both sides. So I take my ring finger and middle finger and I'll go right in this area and gently pump downwards with feather light pressure. I personally do about 10 to 20 times, 1 second pace. That's the first point. The second point, I'm going to go below the angle of jawline, take my ring finger and middle finger on both sides again, and I'm going to gently do small light pumps and circles down towards this area. And I like to then go below the jawline as well, back and forth, and hit this common stuck area. That's point 2. Point 3, I'm going to take my hands like this, and I'm going to hug the ears. So I'm going to take fingers in front and behind my ear, just like this on both sides again, and gently pump downwards like this 10 to 20 times again with feather light pressure. So I'm kind of going down, lifting up slightly with my hands, down, lifting up slightly with my hands, down in that motion. Then the last one I'm going to do is with my ring fingers. I'm going to go right along the nose. I'm going to gently pump outwards, feather light pressure all along this area. And then as a little bonus, I can even go just under the eye gently and repeat that. There is a point right below the occiput or base of the skull, and I'm going to take my fingers right below that and gently pump lightly under that 10 to 20 times. That's optional when I'm focusing on my full face, but it's a great addition to add in, I think. These are the points that I like to prep before I use a tool like facial dry brushing, cupping, or Gua Sha, or it can be done all by itself. The point of this is to unclog the drains where everything is going to flow to these points so we can get the best depuffing results possible. And if you're a visual person like me, I have a free prep reset guide. You can check it out below, download it, and it has all the visuals of every single point in the correct order. And let me know what you would like to see next. A full body prep video, I can do that, or a facial dry brush video, full face tutorial. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear.